agents are collaborative by default. So that is, I am working with AI, and in some sense I use the metaphor of I'm thinking with AI and working with my colleagues in real time. And so this idea that you now have pages that allow you to collaborate in new ways with AI and your co-workers, I think is a new type of workflow that I think all of us are getting used to. And I just won't stop there. In fact, one of the most exciting things about Copilot is Copilot Studio and the ability to continue to build agents, right? So the new way people will work is I will work with my Copilot and the thousands of agents that Copilot has access to. And building agents should be as simple, right? It should not be mystical. It should be as simple as creating a document or as creating a spreadsheet. So I can go to Copilot Studio, I can build something like a field service agent by giving it a prompt and some instructions, giving it some knowledge. It could be a SharePoint site or a Dynamics CRM database or a field service database. And then you have a field service agent that you can now call from your Copilot. So that's what we're trying to do with Copilot Studio. And then, of course, the data asset, right? The entirety of the data. In fact, the most important database is the communications and collaboration database inside of the company, right? What is underneath Microsoft 365 in many organizations, whether it's a small business or a large enterprise, is very, very rich data that up to now has never been tapped into. And now you can tap into it along with all of the rest of the enterprise data. Through Dataverse, you can get to your ERP and CRM data. Through Power BI, you can get to all of the analytical data warehouse data. You're able to use Fabric. So all of that now you can bring in, and by the way, the web data as well, right? So you have the world's knowledge, you have all of the organizational knowledge that today has been spread out in multiple silos, can all be brought together to ground your LLMs or your intelligence layer and the Copilot layer so that you can get more value out of everything that you've in fact invested in all these years. So that's the data cloud. Now, already this Copilot system is having tremendous impact because at the end of the day, you want to see productivity growth. You want to see economic growth inside your own company. And so we are seeing it, right? We see customer support now is 12 times faster. This is right at Microsoft. We're seeing marketing conversion rates increase by 20+%.